And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, weather looks good for the frenzy, of course, tonight. Dry weather is expected, temps 80s, and then we drop into the mid-70s yet once again. But overnight, we drop down into the 60s. 62 for the low. Watch for patchy fog developing later on tonight. Lows 58 to 63 doing it viewing area wide. 64 in Delphi, Monticello, 59 Logansport, 62 at Attica. Changes are brewing, though. There are a lot of interesting things going on in the weather. First of all, this is the TEP, this is the upper trough in the Gulf. Still some clusters of heavy rainstorms here, but this will gradually tend to go away. And we'll watch what will likely become Hurricane Fiona, which will either make it into the far eastern Gulf or get really close to Florida and the Carolinas, then move out this way. So that will not have much of an impact on our weather. But these systems out in Alaska and Japan are having a big impact. This is what's left of an old typhoon, which is a major storm in Alaska right now with high winds and heavy rain. What this will do is put a little trough, put a little kink in the jet that'll bring a risk of severe weather Sunday night, Monday morning. A little trough will get kicked, dive southeastward. It kicks off our storms with our near record warmth. Then we watch the other typhoon that's nearing Japan right now, and this one and what's left of this old tropical system will both head for Alaska. It's going to put a big kink in the jet, and what it will do is drop much cooler air in at the end of next week, and the freezing line might make it as far south as the mountains of Pennsylvania, parts of New York towards next week, as the much colder air begins to spill in. At the very end of next week, that will occur. All right, so let's break it all down, bring it back home to talk about exactly how it will impact us. Tomorrow's a hot day, it's 88. The record's 93. It's breezy with hazy sunshine around. 85 to 91 for high. Sunday's a hot one too. It's more humid, upper 80s to low 90s, windy, 3 degrees from the record high set in 1891. There you see the highs. And there you see the heat index 91 to 97. So we are fine tomorrow. We are fine on Sunday. Here comes the upper trough getting kicked southeastward with storms Sunday night. Here we are around 3 o'clock in the morning. There is your line of storms coming through. So it's late in the night, early in the morning. Those pull away. And then the big ridge expands again. It's hot on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But then the stronger trough comes in from the northwest and dive southeastward. This could bring some storms at the end of next week, and then it gets much cooler. And look at the cooler weather. So here we are, 90, 92, 91, but a high of 69 on Friday, and we could actually drop into the 40s Friday night.